guys. I'm Piyush. We have a YouTube channel and we just interview students from all over the world.
We also have a placement option. We can get a job here as well, or if we want in India, in Ghaziabad or anywhere.
So would you recommend IMT Dubai to future students? So
And
the
yeah,
great
so-
thing is that you have an on-campus accommodation for
Yes,
all the students who are
everything,
coming.
yes.
If you are looking to study abroad, then watch this full video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated.
Thanks for agreeing to share your experience. Can you just introduce yourself?
Hello, I'm Bhavini Sethia.
And where are you from?
I'm from India, Kolkata.
From Kolkata. And how about you?
My name is Prathamesh Jain and I am from Maharashtra.
From Maharashtra. And you guys are both studying here at IMT Dubai.
Yes.
What program are you doing?
I'm doing PGDM DCP International Business and Marketing.
All right. And how about you?
I am also in DCP program, but I am into finance.
Into finance. You want to do international business and you want to go into finance.
Yeah.
And did you start your education in Ghaziabad, in IMT Ghaziabad, or you're doing a full-time program here itself?
No, we only have this option of doing this dual country program. So our 3 semesters is in Ghaziabad and 3 of them is in Dubai.
3 of them in Dubai. So that's fantastic. And how are you finding Dubai so far? Are you enjoying your time here?
Yes, we are.
And it's fun.
Yeah.
And are you looking for internships here as well?
We are. It's compulsory that we have to do our internships here. So hoping that SCSE gets something for us. Or
Alright.
yeah.
All
We
right.
also have a placement option. We can get a job here as well, or if we want in India, in Ghaziabad or anywhere.
So, guys, let's take a small pause and let me tell you that I counsel hundreds of students looking to study abroad every month. And I am here to help you guys not just with understanding your profile, which country or university is the best one for you, but help you through the admission process. And me and my team will get you your visa on time. And if you want a one-on-one counseling session with me, please go into the description. There is a link to my Calendly and you can book a one-on-one slot with me. And let's get back to our video now.
If you guys had an option to do your full MBA program here in Dubai versus do an India plus Dubai, what do you think is better?
I guess India plus Dubai, because we would get an idea of how the business world works in India as well as Dubai, because we are getting a global exposure here.
Multi-country exposure,
Multi-country. So
exposure
that's
and
why we chose this dual
And you're doing
front
international
program.
business, of course. International, more
Yes.
of the exposure you have, the better it is.
Even in Indian V schools, we have exchange program.
Right.
So that is also kind of fun.
But this is like much longer,
This
right?
is much longer,
yeah.
which is actually good, because we are getting more exposure. We are getting to learn more about how the world works.
Right.
We have international professors with us,
Right.
so which is something that
Which otherwise would not have been possible just in
possible.
IMT Ghaziabad.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
Right. And of course, majority of the MBA programs in India, you would have only Indian professors and not as much exposure.
Yes.
And where are you guys staying? How are you guys managing your accommodation and you're living here?
We
We
stay
have-
on campus only.
Yeah. So
And
the
yeah,
great
so-
thing is that you have an on-campus accommodation for
Yes,
all the students who are
everything,
coming.
Yes.
All the two.
All the
All the
250 students
yes.
have an on-campus accommodation.
yeah, we
So you
have
don't
a
have to
mess
worry
here.
about it. It is part of your fee. And how's the mess food here?
Yeah, it's fine.
It's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Actually,
It's
there
fine,
are
yeah.
more non-veg options, so
Right.
veg people like us do have.
I'm vegetarian too. I feel
Yeah,
for
so
you. Yeah.
vegetarian people have less options, but it's fine.
It's
The
fine.
food is good.
Do you have an option to cook as well?
No, we have
We can,
a
heat
microwave,
up-
but
we have
we don't have an
microwave
option to
and
cook it.
But you have a mess and you can then go around
Yeah.
and enjoy
You can
the.
go around and see.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
yeah,
There are
Dubai
many
is
food
great.
courts around here.
Yes, I
Yes,
was
there
just
are
at
actually.
the Middlesex University
Yeah.
campus.
Yes,
We saw the food
yeah.
court there.
So we have an option of exploring here.
So would you
and-
recommend IMT Dubai to future students who are
Yes, I would
Yeah,
definitely.
100%.
100%?
It is a
100%.
great career option, because I feel that we won't get this option in India usually. And foreign exchange programs, they are very like short time programs.
Right.
Rather, we have this 1 year program where we can explore, study. So it's
And
a
do
balance
internships
board.
here. Actually,
Yeah.
no exchange program, you can just go and study.
Dubai is
Yeah.
already a business hub of the world. So anytime if you are learning from here, you are learning from the best.
Perfect.
Yeah, it's-
Really
it's a
good to understand multiple options available to do different specialization at IMT Dubai. Residential campus, very unique. All 250 students living here together, and that kind of same bond from Ghaziabad is moving here to Dubai, and you're continuing the same journey. Everybody together, mess food, but at least you don't have to cook. So fantastic, guys. Thank you so much for taking out time. It was lovely speaking to both of you. Thank you so much. And we'll let you know when we post this on YouTube, and we'll share it back with you as well. And if you guys found this conversation useful, do subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions about studying in Dubai, just put them in the comments. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you, guys. Thank you guys so much.
So if you like this content, please subscribe to our channel and I will see you all in the next video.